Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gmod NPCs. To begin, open your spawn menu by pressing Q and navigate to the NPCs tab. Here, you can choose from a wide variety of non-player characters, from friendly citizens to hostile combined soldiers. Once selected, simply click to spawn them into your world. You can then right-click on them with the physics gun to access their basic properties and make initial adjustments. This foundational step is crucial for all further customization. Now, let's dive into customizing your NPCs. You can modify their core attributes like health, making them more resilient or vulnerable, and adjust their damage output. To change their weaponry, simply use the Weapon Selection tool found in the Utilities tab. Then right-click on the NPC. For more advanced setups, you can set up patrol paths using navigation meshes or assign specific targets, allowing for intricate combat encounters or dynamic environmental interactions. Experiment with these settings to create unique challenges. Effective placement is key to a great NPC encounter. The physics gun is your primary tool for precise positioning. Grab an NPC and move it exactly where you want. For areas that are difficult to access, activate Knocklip to fly through the map and place your characters with ease. Remember to deactivate Knocklip afterward. Furthermore, you can save entire NPC configurations, including their weapons and behaviors, using the Save tool. This allows for rapid deployment of your custom scenarios across different maps or sessions, saving you valuable time. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and best practices. If an NPC becomes unresponsive or stuck, simply delete and respawn it to reset its behavior. To maintain smooth game performance, especially on less powerful systems, try to keep your total active NPC count below 25 to 30. For those looking to delve deeper, the Gmod community offers a wealth of resources, including tutorials and scripts for advanced NPC manipulation. Don't hesitate to explore these to unlock even more creative possibilities with your non-player characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.